Well, happy 2026. We out here. We at Franklin Avenue. We came to eat at Franklin Giant Grinder.
I got it.
Boom. Wait, they open, right? Yeah, they are. They said they're open. Alright, let them know. See, my boy wanted to come out here, so I was like, fuck it, let's go.
Yeah, you already know, people. We gotta sit and go back at this place, man. If you haven't been here, come back.
Let's get it, man. There you go, my brother. Yo, I don't know what I want yet. Let me see what they got. Ooh, they got seating and everything. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and all that good shit. Wait a minute, you gotta see. Oh, you over there. This shit feels old school. Old school. Old school. Old school. I don't know what I want there. Okay. Jump cut. Alright, back. So, yo, we ordered our food. Hey, what did you order again, brother?
Yo. Can never go wrong. Can never go wrong with the Cape Cod. Gotta get the Cape Cod.
Yeah, fast, yo, yeah, got it.
When you eat a grinder, gotta get a Cape Cod. Yo,
Put this right here.
my nigga, did these people go off in prices or what?
Yeah, dog. Yeah. You got, so Pete, you got a whole chicken parm, sauce and cheese, and then a half a ham cheese, whatever, and a chip, and a Gatorade. That shit was $48. I got a half a sandwich with a crushed soda, bag of Cape Cod chips, and it was $20. So you figured that my soda must have been like, let's go with $2.50, let's say $3. So that means that the sandwich was basically 15, 16 bucks.
Yo, I'm telling y'all, we're gonna see this again. It was changed. And we put a lot of meat on the sandwich. But yo, I gotta come to this place, man. Yeah, these people, it's a little bit pricey. But
So I just peeped out the menu, right? Your whole sandwich costed $28.40. The half a sandwich is $14.50.
Diablo. How big is a hole?
Oh, that's what you got. That's what's coming. And remember, he cutting it in half for you, serving you half and then serving you the other half. So,
No, question, right?
I got roasted peppers on mine. He didn't. So,
One more question. Have you ordered the chicken parm?
No, this will be my first time.
Sure.
Yo, we'll just, when the food get here, we'll be back. Jump cut. Yo, peep this though. Look at the jukebox. Look at this though. I haven't seen one of these in so long. Bruh. Like the last time I saw a jukebox was at Ferrantino's, and they're just like all updated and shit like that. But look at this though. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That shit is shiny. Boom, and then look at the little wait, what is going on here? Which is this one? Oh. Wait, what is going on here?
I'm confused.
Me too. What is going on here? Hold up, we gotta get our shit situated. Beat this. So this is mine. So we figured it out. So my brother got a whole grinder, so that's the half one. And then the other one that was out here earlier, that's in there, that was the other half, making it a whole sandwich. But yeah, can you just drop the top on there to see what's inside? Oh, that is so sexy. Look at that. Mira pa allá. Wow. Let's get it. Oh my God.
And that's what I forgot, because that has peppers.
Assuming that that's the initial approach,
Cheers, my brother.
Oh my
God, this shit has
Look at that. 1, 2, 3. To the area, and then
With the roasted pepper?
you just enumerated. Okay, yeah, I've done a bunch of things. You don't know. If they are configured some of and it is wide enough to see them, or if it's a little bit, you have to say to you don't have to do that, I would get the back plate. Traffic camera, then you almost then get trouble instead of traffic purposes. Yeah, and the other problem is when they overwrite. Even in New York City,
The peppers are coming through.
On this stuff.
Beautifully.
Which is there to throw a ring of steel around the financial district counter-terrorism. I had one occasion where we went to
I like the amount of chicken breast.
it turns out it's overwritten weeks ago.
They don't stink.
To resource issues, this stuff can be expensive to store because of the municipal level.
So I'm happy.
I think that, look, we have
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much, Paul. Still ahead, lawmakers on the Hill taking...
Alright, I had to come back, make sure the microphone was good. Bro,
That's it.
this is flavor.
Join me live. Still ahead.
Ooh.
That's right, Ed. You won.
Oh.
And take it on when you vote years ago.
Yo.
Charge off the story. The impact is coming.
Look at that, look at it.
Sure, come and look at the numbers.
That is seasoned.
I look at the person.
We understand.
Look at the little specks of seasoning. Bro.
Nobody's there to sit back and Team is acting right. The right Thank you.
The fact that your half takes the whole plate, and then you put the other half next onto another plate. Bro, that's like, yo, right there.
How you even...
How did somebody even finish that? I was confused. I'm like, wait, what?
That's you'll have food until Sunday, dog. That's insane, bro. The bread is nice and crunchy.
Very.
Nice color. Nice tan on that motherfucker.
Very well made. Very, very, very well made.
Chicken is juicy, nice and thin. Hold on. Eight, 9.
This is a real tough one.
Yeah, I was thinking between 8-9 or 9-1. Oh my God, it's sold up with this.
I'm gonna give it a 9.2. Now, I would have given it a 9.8. But the reason why I gave it a 9.2 is because the sauce could have been a little bit more thicker.
Okay. Oh, this is great. This is great. Yeah, this is awesome, dog. Hold on. I want to put this motherfucker over here. I want to rearrange. I don't want to do. Look at this. Okay, bite with the crunch. Wow. Franklin Giant Grinder. But please, yes, come out here to this one, man. Franklin's gang grinding. Oh my goodness, Richard.
Yo, y'all want a hearty grinder? Tell them.
I'll close at the prices. Come out here, keep them out, dog. We get something for like $30. That's 3 days worth of eating.
Yep.
Yo, we out here because we gotta catch this bus back home, and it's cold as hell. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good shit, yo. Enjoy the rest of 2026. We'll be back with another one in a few days.
Yep.
Jump cut.
See ya.
Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.